Good afternoon, Concrete Basics. Tigris. This is our job today, guys. Just a house lab. And then that's how we take good care of Peter versus boxing. The one. Scraping up some concrete na boxing. At least. Pati itong mga ano, kung medyo may kumapit na halo, i-ano mo na, itumba, ikuskusin mo na yung dumikit lang. Yung mga nakapatong, walang problema dyan. Kagaya nito, paki-scrape ito. Scrape yun, kasi pag tumigas siya, mahirapan yung yan, okay na yan. Yung mga pumatong, walang problema. Yeah, and then the owner is Filipino family based in Culver din, and then the agent also is Filipino. So guys, so I'll see you in the next video, guys. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Concrete Basics, and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.